on TikTok. Definitely worth you actually checking this out. All you've got to do is type in 2025 recap template, and then you'll see loads of them there, like loads, and then just choose one. Once you go in, I'm probably going to choose something like this one, if I'm honest. However, you might want to look for the ones with a lot of hearts. So where you look for like what's trending, you can see here there's one that's trending with 5,972. But have a look, this one here, for example, it's got 215,000. You just put your clips in. Then where it says try this template, you just click on that and you go through on CapCut. If you need to see how to use the CapCut, then let me know, but it should be pretty straightforward. So using the template from CapCut, just going to go to it. It opens up and then you click on use template. Then when you click on use template, all you're going to do is upload the various templates that you want in here. You need to upload a good number, about 97. And I'm going to do that easily. And then when you do that, it then creates them all for you. So let me know, tag me in your post if you do one. But there are lots of different options you can choose from. As I said, this is the one that I chose here. Yeah, I can put the link in for you. I'll copy it here and I'll put it under this post. But basically, if you want to see a whole load of them, you could literally just search CapCut. You can search CapCut and just put in 2025 template. And it can come up with a load of different ones. You don't have to use template memories. It could be template videos. It could be anything. But let's look at template photos for those of you that don't really use that much videos. And again, you'll see here lots of different ones you can use. So just pick any one of those. Just go into CapCut, 2025 template photos, or 2025 memories, or 2025 season comes to an end. It will just bring up loads of different ones. Best piece of advice I could give you is look at the ones that have got the most engagement, because they'll probably be the ones likely to get really good engagement on your own page. But also, if you're not really into the virality and engagement side of things, and you just want to do something you like and not make it too complicated, make sure you are also mindful of the number of clips that you need to put in, because some of them, as the one that I just showed you, require 90 plus, and some only require 12. Okay, so you can decide. Let's check this one. This is only 36. You can see that here. 26, and it's a 25-second, 36 for a 25-second video. This one is 75 clips, 39 seconds. So again, just have a look down there and you'll see. I hope that helps. Please do connect with me, and I'm going to try and change up the TikTok content that I'm sharing this year. TikTok isn't really one of my favorite platforms. I probably shouldn't share that here, but things are changing in 2026. So take a look and yeah, follow and connect if you find it helpful. Bye.